I'm thinking Gordon Ramsay's gonna like pop out from somewhere and go, ta-da! And he doesn't, and I'm really pleased. In front of you, Josh, is red emperor, poached in a Asian broth with bok choy and broad beans. Simon, you have pan-fried red emperor with an a la Greek sauce on panade eggplant. And Ray, you have red emperor carpaccio with pomegranate, lemon and cress.
I'm really happy you didn't do fish and chips, you know that.
My intention was to be a battered fish, and I decided against it.
Possibly a good idea. Thanks, Tracy Lee.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
All I can do is just hope and pray that I've done enough to make up that ground that I lost yesterday with my under-seasoning.
What do you think?
How's yours?
Boring. Look great.
I actually want you to try mine, and I want to try that.
Oh, thanks for that.
I don't want to try boiled bok choy. It turns into this really fibrous rag.
This is a hell of a lot better than mine.
What was Tracy Lee thinking? That's just so bland.
I know.
This, there's nothing going on.
I think that's probably the best dish of the bunch. She's done a reasonable job portioning and filleting it, but there's just no salt, there's no flavour.
Walking into the tasting, real apprehension because I'm not sure if all the fish is cooked well. I've used lemon juice and oil in a ceviche type technique there with some pomegranate juice as well and some fresh herbs. And then I have herb crusted and pan fried your dish there, Simon, with some pickled vegetables and a coconut poached piece of fish on curried vegetables.
Jax, is this going to keep you in the competition?
I really hope they do, Josh.
Keep your fingers crossed, girl.
Thank you. I do believe that mine was the worst, and I don't think I've done enough today. I think I'm going home.
It's better than I thought it would be.
The vegetables are stunning. They're really tasty, really good.
Well, the ceviche she's done here, I think the biggest mistake she's made of this is she's laid the fish out and she's only put the dressing on one end.
I'll talk about this one. What a cunning thing to do. Poach something in something with fat in it, like coconut cream, so that it keeps it really moist. I'm getting coconut, but it's not overtly...
Can I try that,
Yeah,
mate?
it's damn good. That is a really beautiful dish. It's a beautiful dish.
I 100% agree with you.
Yeah.
It's fantastic. I think the curry fish steals the show for Jax.
Going into the tasting, I guess I wasn't in the happiest of moods. I guess I was just disappointed in myself, really.
Here we've got a cucumber pickle, deep-fried red emperor. Here we have a fennel and blood orange salad with the red emperor. And here we've got parsnip puree, roast potatoes, carrot and the fish as well.
Right.
What were the 3 different cooking techniques you used?
I was actually wanting to flake the fish and have
That's
a more...
flaking, it's not a cooking technique. Cooking technique is pan frying or sautéing, roasting, poaching, broiling, baking, deep frying, marinating, salting, curing.
Yeah, I've only got the 2 here.
Out of all these challenges, I've sort of got a really bad feeling about this one.
And is it going to be seasoned well?
I was really, really rushed today, and...
So there's a chance this might not be seasoned well?
Yes, there's a chance.
Stu, don't do this to me.
I know, I'm so disappointed with myself. Yeah, I really am.
Mate. Off you go.
Thank you.
Thanks, Stu.
I think I've stuffed up too much here and, you know, possibly could be going home.
What do you think, guys?
He's cooked his fish nicely.
Yeah.
But really, it's fried fish with very plainly cooked vegetables and sweet chili sauce. It's a dish that doesn't have a high amount of technique or sophistication about it, really.
Well, under-seasoned, I'm gutted for him because I just expected a lot more from Stu than that.
It's a shame. It's a real shame.
He's done a good job of this, I think. It's simplistic, but it's not enough.
He needed to do more. This is not a sophisticated enough dish for this level of the competition. Yeah.
I'm disappointed because I really wanted to do well in this challenge, and I don't think I have because I've undercooked the fish.
Wow, Nadia, you've really knocked yourself out today.
Yeah,
You've
I
done
tried
4 types of technique here. Fish balls, poaching, crispy fried, and marinating.
But it'd be awful to go down because your fish isn't quite cooked in the middle.
I know.
Why are you crying?
Because I'm really scared that it's not going to be cooked right through. I've failed big time. I just keep thinking, why did I put the fish on like 2 or 3 minutes earlier, and then it might have been cooked right through.
Well, that sure is raw. However, the cauliflower puree, it's nice, it's seasoned.
Mine's rather nice. Very simple. I'm sure, knowing Nadia, she would have had other plans for it, but she didn't obviously get there because it's been such a tough challenge. But yeah, really pleasant. I like it.
This ceviche and the fruit on there, you should try that because it's actually really nice. It's flavoursome.
Oh, yeah.
Overall, I think it was a tough day.
A lot of tears. And I don't think the tears are finished yet.
I'm walking into the elimination, I thought I was going home. But I just felt so disappointed, really. Lots of things didn't go my way. And I wanted to do the best I could, and I didn't think I did.
I feel exhausted walking into the elimination because the dishes that I put up, I was so disappointed with.
Hi, everyone. Well, you came to Melbourne and you cooked your hearts out.
We put you through 2 grueling challenges, and one you achieved some great results. And the other, well, that was a completely different story.
Somebody's going to go home. What a lonely plane ride that's going to be.
Nadia, please step forward.
I'm just terrified. I'm not ready to go home.
Yesterday, you were in the top 2 with your Moreton Bay bugs, but today, you served us raw fish. All I could find to like about the dish was the cauliflower puree.
Your fishball dish. I quite like the flavours in that dish. You showed us complexity and sophistication.
The roasted piece of fish, again, wasn't cooked. You could have simply served me the ceviche with the fruit, the papaya and the melon, which was itself a really nice dish. But overall, the Red Emperor challenge has really let you down.
I feel really sorry for them having to eat my dishes, actually.
Jax, please step forward.
I was feeling really negative about the elimination, and I thought I was going home.
You gave us a splendid effort with your kangaroo yesterday. Your horseradish foam. Great.
The coconut poached Red Emperor on the curried vegetables. I could have taken that plate, found myself a little corner table somewhere, and I would have eaten a lot, all by myself. I loved it.
Thank you. When Ray then said that he had tasted my dish and it was wonderful, I was really surprised.
The ceviche dish that you gave me was a little bit underwhelming, but I did try the Red Emperor cooked in the coconut milk, and that was an excellent dish. Overall, you were the best performer in both challenges. Congratulations, you are through to the next round.
I'm flabbergasted, absolutely flabbergasted, because there have been 2 immense challenges, an immense surge of relief.
Nadia, overall, you gave us the 2nd best dish. So you're through to the next round.
Okay, thank you. I can't believe it. I really can't believe it. It takes a while to register. That means I'm through to the top 3.
Which means Stu and Tracy Lee, you are the bottom 2 across the 2 challenges.
Tracy Lee, yesterday the Murray River cod was quite impressive, but you butchered the Red Emperor challenge from start to finish.
Your fish today just didn't have any flavour. God, I wanted to lean over there and sprinkle some salt on there for you. Even that would have helped it, you know? Not your best day.
So I'm standing there and thinking my glass is still half full. But if this is the end of my journey, then this is the end of my journey, you know?
Stu, Wallaby was great yesterday, but you gave us some really, really dull stuff today. There was no technique, there was no excitement, there was no flair.
The piece of deep-fried Red Emperor you gave me was actually one of the better cooked pieces of fish of the day. But the garnish was really lacking, and you didn't show us any other technique in your other 2 dishes. And why are you still leaving out the salt?
Not good enough. Oh, I don't want to shake you guys.
Stu, Tracy Lee, one of you is going home.
I feel exhausted. I feel really emotional.
Josh is looking right in my eyes, and I just sort of thought I was going home.
We're going to miss you terribly. But Tracy Lee, your MasterChef journey ends today.
There are things that you can change in life and there are things that you can't. You know, I can't change what I did today in the kitchen.
Stu, you've made the top 3.
I was shocked. I really was. I really honestly thought I was going home. It was a relief. It took a little while to sink in, but it was a lucky escape.
Well, Tracy Lee, you made the top 4. I tell you what, you've come such a long way. And, you know, you've given me a dish I'll never forget, which is your prawns with saffron. That was an outstanding dish. And you might find it appearing on the menu up the road from where you live in Taupo at some stage.
Keep chasing that dream, you know. You're good.
I'm really proud.
And so you should be.
You should be.
And your family will be too.
Absolutely.
Tracy Lee, you've got a massive heart, and we are going to miss you. But it's now time to leave the competition.
Yes.
It was tough seeing Tracy Lee go. She's sort of louder than life, and she's like an energizer battery that, you know, just doesn't stop.
I would much rather go home a winner in my heart and a loser in the competition.